Thank you once again for reaching out to Spruce Grove Hyundai. We're looking at the 2020 Santa Fe Ultimate. It is paired with the 2-liter turbo engine with an all-wheel drive H-track system. Massive 19-inch rims on it. Looks stunning. This is what Hyundai calls the Rainforest Green. Take a look at the inside here. I'll try to make this as quick as possible. There's a lot of features to go over. Something new that Hyundai introduced was the digital display. Pretty cool. You have some of your safety features here. Sorry, your lane keep assist, your blind spot. You also have your all-wheel drive and your traction control, display brightness, and your automatic trunk door. A couple settings there for your seat, power locks, power windows, mirrors, everything. Infinity speakers all around. I don't know if you can see the label there, but there it is. A huge 8-inch touchscreen display. Dual climate control all around. Cooled seats for both the passenger and the driver, as well as heated and also a heated steering wheel. A USB plug-in. You have your 12 volt and another USB just behind this flap here. Over here we have a couple of your drive modes, so your comfort, your eco, your sport. Parking sensors, it's always going to be on, but if you don't like the parking sensors, they kind of bug you or whatever, you can turn those off. Your vehicle will automatically turn off after a few seconds, let's say a stop sign or a red light, just to save on that gas. But if you know, sometimes it could have a bit of a hiccup whenever you take off once it turns green. Some people don't really like it, so they turn it off, but it is a great feature. It helps a lot with fuel consumption. Your brake assist going downhill, and your 360-degree camera. So this is the standard screen that you're going to see whenever reversing, but if you prefer getting that full display in for backing up, you can do that. You can go over to the one side if you'd like, an overview, just overview, and then over to the other side as well there. Vehicle also has front collision avoidance. There's sensors all over it. Panoramic sunroof all the way back. You can cover it up if you'd like. It's all automatic. Beautiful, beautiful car. Stunning on the inside. Check out the back seats here. One thing that's very unique about this car, you don't find them in very much, is the rear heated seats. It's a feature that you usually only see in very luxurious cars. The rear seats are pretty adjustable. If you were to lift that lever, obviously you can fold them all the way down. If not, you actually have a bit of travel room going this way and backwards if the passenger needs a little bit more leg room, as well as just resting their back as well. There's a couple of USB plugins back here. Very nice feature. You have your rear blinds. Pretty fancy stuff. Like I said, automatic trunk door. Just simply press the button. Folds all the way back. Floor mats, owner's manual. Some extra trunk space there. And your roadside kit. So hopefully I answered some of your questions there, and I look forward to hearing from you. Bye for now.